Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today at Solvetic, we talk to you about the error that I can't follow anyone on Instagram. Sometimes we come across the error that I can't follow anyone else on Instagram. If this happens to you, the first piece of advice is to, for example, look for accounts on a specific topic. If you see that you follow many accounts about it, or even all of them, it is possible that your account has been hacked and is following people en masse. Many accounts do this to get followers. Another option is to unfollow someone on your list and try to follow another account later. If after that you have been able to do so, it is possible that you have reached a limit that is currently over 7,500. It is possible that Instagram has banned you for this or for another unauthorized action, so wait a few days and try to follow someone again, otherwise contact their technical service. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.